Hello, today is Monday, the 31st of October 2011, and the chart on the screen is a ratio monthly line close ratio of JP Morgan and silver. I'm unable to get JP Morgan data before the start of 1984. However, in 1980, I'd be really interested to see what the ratio moved up to when it reached the $50 mark. As well, what would the ratio look like around 1972, or were the bottom of silver when it was at around what's my memory tell me, about a buck and a quarter? What would the ratio be with JP Morgan? All right, now let's get started within this chart. The move higher would have been the same for pretty much almost every stock in silver. From 1980 to 2000, the price of silver was being suppressed, and the stock market had tremendous gains from 1980 to 2000 during its nice uptrend. And since 2000, the silver market has went from basically a 480 up to about 34.29, thus gaining 8 times its value. And for the most part, stocks have been flat. JP Morgan, of course, has went from 39.36 down to 35.78, and that's pretty much flat. Therefore, we are at this one level pretty much. It says here that 11 a.m. Eastern. That it's not 11 a.m. It's 10 a.m. Eastern or 11 a.m. Atlantic time. That it hit a ratio of 1.04. But for the last few weeks, even the last couple of months, it's been just ranging and staying below at this one level. But within the trend, it's still continuing its pattern of making these lower lows and making lower highs along the way. So nothing yet has broken this trend unless of course it gets above this level in here. Now I don't know what the situation is going to be if the one level gives in, and significantly. Of course, these little pierces below, they don't mean much. But when we have some confirmation that one is no longer that of support, and it is now falling from it, you're wondering if one will be resistance, then I'm not too sure what to expect. And you need to see probably the price on the ratio go to a 0.75 on the JP Morgan stock price divided by the silver price. Thank you for tuning in. Bye bye.